Hello everyone, today we're discussing how to use Veet Men hair removal cream for effective and easy hair removal at home. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to ensure smooth results while maintaining the skin safely. First, it's important to prepare before using any product. Do a patch test 24 hours to full application. Apply a small amount of the cream on a small area of skin you wish to treat. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes and then wipe off. If there is no irritation, you're good to go. For the best results, make sure your skin is clean and dry before application. Avoid using the cream on any cuts, burns or sensitive areas. Now we are ready to apply the cream. Take a generous amount of Veet Men hair removal cream and spread it evenly over the area you wish to treat. Make sure all the hair is covered, but do not rub the cream into the skin. Depending on the thickness of your hair, you might need to apply more in some areas. Leave the cream on the skin for 3 to 6 minutes, but don't exceed 10 minutes. Once the time has passed, take a damp cloth and gently remove a small section of the cream to check if the hair is coming off. If the hair is easily wiped away, you are ready to remove the rest. Use the spatula or cloth to remove the cream and hair, wiping in all the direction of hair growth. After removing the cream, rinse your skin thoroughly with lukewarm to remove any remaining product. Avoid using any soap for a few hours to let your skin recover. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. For an extra smooth finish, you can apply a mild moisturizer after the skin has fully dried. Make sure to avoid any tight clothing or excessive heat for 24 hours after the treatment. And that's it. Veet Men hair removal cream gives you smooth skin without the hassle of shaving. Thank you for watching. I hope this demo helps you achieve smooth hair-free skin in no time. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully for the best results and always do a patch test before full application. Also, this cream has additional benefits such as using Veet Men hair removal cream not only saves time compared to shaving, but it also lasts long since the hair is removed from the root, leaving skin smoother for days, plus no risk of cuts or nicks like shaving. It's also quick and convenient for large areas like the chest or back, perfect for a fast and pain-free solution. In addition to last longer than shaving, it helps avoid the common issues of razor bumps or ingrown hairs, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The cream's formula also contains moisturizing ingredients to leave the skin feeling soft and hydrated after use. It's a versatile solution for different parts of the body, and it works effectively on a thicker, coarse hair, which makes it a great option for men who wants a smooth, hair-free look with a minimal effort. Another great advantage of this cream is how gentle it is on the skin, reducing irritation compared to the traditional methods like waxing.